Is your job being rewritten as we speak? AI agents are taking the higher paying jobs first. We'll show you the exact jobs at risk.
Coming up, free guide.
Welcome to Ola AI. 4 domains are impacting your jobs. Today, we conquer the most urgent domain. How exactly are they displacing your job? We'll show you.
Coming up, free guide.
This is not your grandpa's chatbot. Agentic AI can plan, reason, and execute all on its own.
Coming up, free guide.
But it's not all doom and gloom.
Meet Sarah. She spent full days just logging data and scheduling posts. Then one simple command. A full day of work done in an hour. Now Sarah has the time to focus on what she loves most, creative strategy.
And if Agentic AI can do that for Sarah, what could it do for you?
Coming up, free guide.
But here is the problem. It's not all just plug and play. You don't want to be locked out of that new economy. So how do you level up? Exact jobs list is next.
Coming up, free guide.
The hard truth first. If your job is on this list, you're under siege. You need a counterattack. Here are the top 3 new jobs. That's just the top 3. Full job list and the level up plan are all in your free guide. Subscribe now and start your conquest. Remember, your guide gets updated after every new episode. On the next episode, we attack domain number 2, generative AI.